So in yesterday's class, we discussed about we have completed the jump statement. Okay, what are the jump statements are there in Python?
Break statement, continue statement.
Very good, very good. What is the use of these two statements, break statement and continue statement? Can you explain? What is the use of break statement?
It terminates the loop, sir.
Very good, very good. Continue. Continue statement.
When the condition is true,
Hmm.
it will stop and starts again from the first, sir.
When the given condition is true, it will stop there or it will skip the remaining statement. It will start. It will goes to the next iteration in the loop. Correct. So that was the proper.
Yes,
That
sir.
is the proper answer. Good. So today we are going to see a new concept, that is a loop else. Okay. So far we have discussed the if else. If else. Yesterday last minute also we have discussed about what is the use of else part. Okay. The else means what? False part. Whenever the given condition is true, what will happen? The else part will be executed. Na? So that is the concept of else part. Here are the same concept, but the concept which we are applying the loop, that will be entirely differ from the if condition. I mean, if else is different, loop else is different. There are two type of looping statements are there in Python. Can you say what are the two type of looping statements?
For loop, while loop.
Very good. So let me going to discuss what today. For else, while else. Okay, the two concepts we are going to see it. Okay, so where we have to use, okay, we have to apply, we are using the jump statement means that time how the else part will be executed, that we are going to see in the example. Okay, at first we are going to see about the else with while loop else. Okay, if you see the program, I equal to 1 while I less than or equal to 10. Okay, so what is the first I value? What is the I value now? 1, correct? No, so 1 is assigned,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
1 only we given. No, that's what, 1
Yes,
less
sir.
than or equal to 10. Condition true or false?
True, sir.
True. Condition
True,
true
sir.
means what is the body of the loop? Print I. We are asking to print the I value. What is the I value?
1, sir.
1.
Once.
So 1 will be get printed, as you see in the right side of your screen. Output is mentioned. 1 is printed. Okay. Then next is updation statement. So we are updating the value by 1. So we are adding 1. That is I equal to I plus 1. So what is the now I value? What is the I value now?
True, sir.
2 will be there. Then 2 is less than or equal to 10. Condition true or false?
True, sir.
True. Then
True,
print
sir.
I. 2 will be printed. Then incremented, that is updated. 3 value. I value will be 3. Then 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 10. Because whenever I value is 10, 10 not less than, but it is equal to 10. No. So condition is true. The 10 will be get printed. Whenever the loop will be completed, after that only the loop else will be executed. That is the concept I want to tell to you. Okay. So after the loop will be executed, but if condition is different, the condition is false means what will happen? The body of the if statement will works. If it is works, if the given
No,
condition is
sir.
failed, this will not work. No. So whenever the condition is
Yes, sir.
failed, it automatically transferred to the else part. But here in the loop else concept, whenever the loop will be terminated or whenever the loop will be executed, okay, so after that only the else part also will be executed. So you can see what is the while else part be given. Print, we are asking to print loop over, so that also will be get printed. Have you understand? So loop also will be executed, else part will also executed. Have you understand the concept? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
But in
Sir,
if else
Yes, sir.
condition, that is different. No, either if condition that statement will works or else part. Suppose the given condition is false means, then only what will happen? The else part will execute, right? In the if else I'm saying, if else, if, whatever concept, correct? But here the difference is there. Can you understand the difference between if, I'm sorry, if else statement and loop else statement? Have you understand this concept? What is the difference, or how it will be
Yes,
executed?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. This is very important concept. Let me go for another one example for else with for loop. Okay. So here you can see names equal to what is name? What is names? We given a names equal to, we have given a lot of values. What is the meaning? I mean, what is the names? Variable is names is showing what? What type of data type name is?
String.
Is it string? Oh my god.
Lists.
List, correct? How you are saying it is a list? Hmm. How you are
Square
saying it?
brackets are used.
Very good. It is enclosed within what? Square bracket, correct? No? So that's what we have to say. It is what? List. So what is, how many elements are there in the list, given list? Names. How many elements are there?
8.
8 elements, sir.
Very good, very good. 8 elements are there in the list. Okay, so names is a list. Now you can see city equal to, what is the thing? City is what? What is,
Variable.
it's a variable which receives the input from the user. So here we are getting the input, enter city to search. Okay, so the searchable city we are getting the as a input that will be stored, that which we, the user has inputted no some value, that value will be to get stored in the variable city. Okay, now you can see for C in names. What is names? We already discussed is a list. So first element is what in the list? What is the first element? There is zero index element is what?
Allahabad.
Allahabad. The Allahabad will be assigned to the variable C. Okay. If C equal to city, what is city? Here inside the for loop. The name which suppose we are giving as a to search, correct? No? Enter the city to search. That
Yes, sir.
value will be stored. Suppose I given Bengaluru. Okay. Suppose I given Bengaluru. Suppose I am giving Chennai. Let you take the example Chennai. Okay. So what is in the C? Allahabad equal to Chennai. Whether condition is true? Allahabad, suppose the
No, sir.
searchable city is Chennai means. Then what will happen? It is not equal to, then the if condition will not execute. Then next value will be iterated. What is the next element in the list? What is the next?
Lucknow, sir.
Lucknow, sir.
Lucknow. Okay. Lucknow equal to Chennai. Condition true.
No, sir.
So then again
No,
third
sir.
element. What is the third element will be taken?
Varanasi.
Varanasi. The condition
Varanasi.
is true.
No, sir.
No. Then next element is what? Kanpur. That is also
Kanpur,
not
sir.
equal to Chennai. Agra is also not equal to Chennai. Ghaziabad is also not equal to Chennai. Mathura, likewise, Meerut, everything is what? Not equal to Chennai. So the entire for loop will be executed, correct? The entire for loop will be executed. At last, the else part will be executed. What is in the else part? Print not found.
Not found.
Else, the city which you entered is not found in the list. Likewise, whatever message we can display. Have you got it? Suppose
Yes, sir.
I'm giving the input Varanasi. Suppose enter the city name, we are getting the input, no? Suppose the input which I have given is Varanasi. First, Allahabad equal to Varanasi, condition false. Lucknow equal to Varanasi, condition false. Varanasi equal to Varanasi, condition what?
True, sir.
True. Then condition is true. Then whenever the condition, if condition is true, what is the body of the statement of if condition? What is the body of the if condition?
Print city found.
Print city found, it will print. Then next statement is what?
Break.
Break, sir.
Break statement. So what will happen? The break statement will, what it will do, it will complete the entire loop. It will stop the entire loop. That's what we have seen, no? The break statement is used to terminate the entire loop, including the else
Yes,
part. That's
sir.
what you can see the output. Enter the city to search. They are entering Varanasi. City found. That will print. Correct. Another input. Second time while they are running the program, enter the city. They are Unnao they entered. Okay, that is not found. That's what it's. Have you understand this? Have you understood
Yes,
this?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good, good. What about remaining people? Two members only answering. What about remaining? Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
good.
sir.
So, okay, good. So I hope you understand what is the else part is doing. Else part is the another counterpart in the loop. Okay. So it is not actually, sorry, it's not counterpart, but what is the thing? Whenever the loop will execute, but here the both the things will execute. Okay, suppose the loop also will be executed and then else part also will be executed. That is the difference between if else and loop else. Loop else means while else or for else. Okay, the else part also will be executed. That is the concept. Okay, unless we didn't give break means. If you give break means, then the entire loop will be terminated. That's what the thing. Have you understand the difference? Can you see this program? And if you have any doubt means, please ask. If you have any doubt means, please ask. In this for else, while else, have you understood? The same concept. Else part, how we use it in the things. But what is the thing? If the condition is fails also, the loop will execute continuously. Once the loop will be completed, it's not terminated. Once the loop is completed, then only it goes to the else part. The loop is terminated means that is because of the break statement. That is different. In this for loop, you can see this. Have you all understand, or what's in your mind? Or do you have any doubt or whatever? That's what I'm expecting. Hello.
Understood, sir.
Yeah.
Understood.
Yeah, Aditya. Okay.
Understood, sir.
Good, Aditya. Good. What about remaining? As usual, the two members will answer, and third, somebody will answer. Isn't it? That was the thing you are doing now regularly. Hmm? Good. Okay. Akshaya, what about you? Gokul. Gokul, I didn't hear your voice a long time. Have you understood Gokul? Reshma, you also.
Understood, sir.
Very good. Very good. So, dear
Yes,
children,
sir. Understand.
Understood, sir.
good, ma. Good. If you have any doubt, means that you please ask. Then I will go for another example program. So, like this, for example, this type of question is asked by Harini Sri Jayan. Okay, isn't it? Because she asked sometime, sir, shall we go for one more program likewise? That will be fine. I will be happy by getting this word. So if you understand me, that is not a problem. If you not understand means, I'm asking in that sense. Okay, so that will be fine. Okay, good. Let you go to the another one example. This is not in your syllabus. Okay, the random number, it is not in that. Okay, that's all. We completed the entire chapter. 1 minute. Let you take the book also. If you have the book, let you take. It's not meant that if you have, you should always come with the book. No, I already said. Whenever you are attending the class, you should take your book as well as what your classwork notes. Okay. So if I given any points means you have to note down it. Okay. So we are completing now. I mean, we are just completed down the 9th chapter in your book. Have you taken your book? Have you taken?
Yes, sir.
Can take that introduction. We completed types of statements in Python. Let me have a very short recap. How many types of statements in Python? How many type of statements are there? Can you answer? Three type of statements we have discussed. Empty statement, remaining thing. I'm just starting your igniting your mind. Let you have to say that. Recollect the answer and have to say. How many types? Three types are there. Empty statement. What is empty statement in Python? Which is empty statement in Python? This all we discussed a long back, man. You have to answer. Hello.
None.
None. None is empty statement. That is special literal. No, that is
In Python, an empty statement is false statement.
very good. Pass. PASS. Pass is a empty statement. Okay. Then second type of statement is what?
Simple statement.
Simple statement. Very good. Input statement, output statement. That is print statement. These are all any single line statement is called as what? Simple statement in Python. Then next statement is what?
Compound statement.
Compound statement. Very good. Very good. So compound statement example, looping statement, the condition statement, that is if condition statement. These are all example for what? Compound statement. The function header should contain what? Colon, that we have seen no in the compound statement syntax. Can you remember it? So that we have seen. An if condition, normal, that is simple if with else, elif statement, multiple conditions. Okay, that else part also we have seen. Okay, nested if, yeah, if condition is present inside another if condition, that is nested if. These things also we have seen. Again afterwards, repeating if you want to a task means, then we have to go for the looping statements. Okay, there are two type of loops are there, while loop and for loop, that we have seen. And range function we have seen. What is the syntax of range function? Can anyone say the syntax of for range function? Range of What is the syntax?
Lower limit, upper limit, step value.
Lower limit, comma, upper limit, comma, step value. What is the default if you didn't give that, which is very much mandatory in the uh, in the function, range function. Upper limit is very much mandatory, correct? No? So we must
Yes,
give
sir.
upper limit. Lower limit, if you didn't give, means what will be the default lower limit will be taken?
0.
0 will be taken. If you didn't give the step value, what will be the default step value will be taken?
1, sir.
1 will be taken. Very good. Okay, that is the concept. So these are all the we have seen in the range function. Okay, and next is we have discussed about the looping. I already said for loop and while loop. The syntax for loop, for I in, we can use range function, or else membership operator, in, not in, anyone we can use. No, that we have seen. Okay, then we have used string, list, tuple, dictionary. Okay, this any one of the concept also we can use in the for loop. Okay, then while loop, what are the 4 parts of the while loop? Can you say what are the 4 parts? Hello.
Variable initialization.
Variable initialization,
Condition.
condition, that is while condition. Yeah, while
Body of the loop.
body of the loop. Final one is
Updation.
updation. Very good, very good. So this is the 4 important parts of the while loop. Okay, these parts, if any, for example, updation is missed, condition we didn't give set properly, means the loop will not execute, or else the loop will execute infinity time without the stopping. It will be execute till the computer memory will be finished. Okay, afterwards computer will be completely hanged. Okay, so we should be very much, you should be very much careful whenever you are using while loop. Okay, so not only while loop, generally, especially we are using with the while loop, we should be very much careful. Okay. Then afterwards, we have seen the jump statement, break statement, and continue statement. As we discussed in this starting of the class, break statement is used to term the both the statement. The jump statement can where we can implement it. Any part of the program or any specific part only. Where we can implement. Implement means use. Where we can use the jump statements. Hmm. Any part of the program shall we use? Hello? Shall we use inside the if condition alone? Where we can use the jump statement? Inside the loop only. Hello, you people not at all answering. Where we can use the what is the thing? Jump statement. Only inside the loop only we can you can able to use. Okay, outside the loop, any loop, that is for loop or while loop we can use. Outside the loop we cannot use the jump statement, or jump statement will not works. Okay, so there are 2 jump statements are there, that we have seen, continue and break. Okay, so continue is used to skip the remaining part of the body of the loop, then it goes to the next iteration of the that is in the looping statement. Okay, break statement is used to terminate the immediately, it will terminate the flow of the loop or else execution of the loop, that we have seen in the break statement. For break statement we have seen. Okay, have you understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And that we have seen, and else, for else, and while else, that is the looping else part we have seen. And last, nested loop, we have seen some example. That is yesterday that student program also we have done with the nested loop. Yeah, loop which is present in another loop, that is called as nested loop. Especially the for loop, a for loop is present inside another for loop. Okay, that is nested for loop. A while loop is present another while loop, that is called as nested while loop. Okay, the outer loop is outside the loop while loop is called the first while loop is called as outer loop. Inside the while loop another loop we fixed, no, that is called as inner loop. Okay, that's what I'm saying. Okay, so these are all the concepts we have discussed. I hope that with the example programs, isn't it? Do you have any doubt in this chapter, entire chapter? Because this chapter is very basic. If you are good in this basic means, then upcoming chapters you can learn it, or else it will be difficult for you. What's in your mind, or what's your thought? Have you learned it properly, this entire chapter, flow of controls? I think it's ninth
Yes,
chapter.
sir.
What chapter number?
Yes, sir.
What is the chapter number? Ninth chapter, no?
Nine.
chapter.
10th, ninth chapter. Good.
Eighth chapter, sir.
8th chapter, I think, isn't it? Flow of control is 8th chapter, is it?
Ninth chapter.
I think so. I think if you have the revised book, you may be. I think so, but it is in my book which I am having. It is ninth chapter. The chapter number is not important. The chapter concept only. That is the flow of control. Okay. So in this chapter, under this chapter, we have discussed this much points. Okay. Then next chapter is sting. Okay, the sting manipulation. That will be in my book. It is mentioned as 10th chapter. Let you check what's in your book. Okay, sting manipulation. Sting. Okay, so what are the operations we can
Ninth chapter, sir.
yeah, good. That's what. In my book also it is like that only. Okay. So let me see hereafter one by one data type. String, list, tuple, dictionary. Okay. Afterwards we will see the basic concepts again. Okay. This concept and all we have done. Okay. So far we have completed 6 chapters in entire book. Totally you are having 17. Out of 17, one chapter was omitted for this academic year. So that is what 14th chapter was omitted. So totally 16 chapters. We completed 6 chapters. 10 chapters yet to complete. Okay, maximum. Let we complete what 2 or 3 chapters. 2 chapters in this month. Okay, so that's not our thing. Let me see it. Okay, so you have to learn the more things. You have to practice. Yesterday I have advised a lot to you. Not only yesterday. Every day I'm advising a lot. But even though there is no reaction from your side that time, what I'm expected. Okay, few of them only they have done the homework, remaining people and all computer just like that you have gone. But what is the poor thing means, what is the pity, I am very much pity about the people those who are not really doing the work means they will suffer a lot whenever the school will reopen, that I'm sure. And 12th standard, that's all, they will be a mat for everybody. I'm so sorry for using this word, but they will be like that. Because what is the thing, you don't know the concept means, it will be your condition. I'm saying the truth only. I'm not exaggerate anything. I'm saying the truth or fact which is going to happen, that will be. I have seen lot of students for that basis only, for that experience only I'm speaking. If you are not good in 11th standard, 12th standard, you will, if you have to suffer a lot, or else you have to work hard for the computer. It's not easy to score just like that in computers. Others how they are thinking, I don't know. That this is the bitter fact, or this is a fact for that. Okay, if you are good in computers means, I think so far whatever the concept we have thought, if you know all the concepts, if you are able to do the program, I will be very much happy about you. Okay, so you will be enjoy the both 11th standard as well as the 12th standard, just like that, flying how we are flying on over the clouds. Okay, so remaining things is yours. Have you all understand this concepts, the entire chapter?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
anything,
sir.
any implementation they want to implement from my side means, let you ask for any material support. I think I will upload this material very quickly in our website, and I hope you are having the book. That will be fine. Okay, homeworks then and there I'm giving it, but you people only not supporting. You are not submitting properly. So from your side, you have to rectify all the mistakes. I'm just pinpointing your mistakes, no? So from my end, what you are expecting, that you, if you are saying me, that will be fine. Programming side or content based side, or the way of teaching, if it is goes fast, I'm did I going speedy or what, or slow or what, let you have the all the rights to talk about my teaching. Yes. Now it's time for you. Let you say that. Hello. Hmm. No comment. Hello. Oh, you
ಇಲ್ಲ sir, afternoon.
Absolutely, yeah, very good. What about anything? It's not blaming your teacher, dear children. It's not like that. I'm asking means, for example, the teacher is asking means they are trying to understand you. That's what. For example, do you have you understood this one? I'm trying to understand how my children is, how they are expecting in the teaching side, especially in computer. So that's what I'm asking. So I have to ask to whom instead of you? If I ask to principal, if I ask to the coordinator or colleagues, other teachers means, how they will know about the my teaching? Correct, no? You know everything. That's what I'm asking directly to you. Is it okay? Shall I continue like that?
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
I will take if you be quiet means who are all saying answer, that will be fine. Who are all not saying answer, they are not understandable. I mean, they are not understand my teaching. That's let I take like that. That's stand. Aditya Pandan is, I think, I hope you understand. Rajesh is okay.
Yes, sir.
Arunishri is okay. He said yes. Remaining and all not. Okay, fine. Ahmad, what can we change class before 3 o'clock? I don't know because I have 12th standard class. It's not possible, Ahmad. Class changing time before I have class. 12:45 it will be starts. Okay, have you got Ahmad? Initially it was kept at starting of the thing, but later part it is goes 12:45 to it started 1:45 in class, again 2 to 3. That's your class also you have seen, no? 3 o'clock now only I have changed, I think 3:15, or else what you might see, no, whenever 3 o'clock last if you're joining means I'm teaching for the 12th standard, the NCRT group. Okay, so that will be difficult. What do you have any time difficulty in this 3 o'clock? I think all the classes will get over. You are having this class only, correct? So we won't have any disturbance. You don't have, you are having free time. I think so. Did you have to say it? Anything else, dear? My dear children? Okay, fine. I think
No,
everything
sir.
good. Good. These are all the concepts we have discussed in this chapter. What we discussed.
Everything
Yes? Yeah. Somebody's coming to say something.
fine, sir.
No, you are about to say something.
Nothing, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. Very good, very good. So let me start the new chapter. That is what sting manipulation. That's what your that is what your 10th chapter in your book. Okay. So let me start this one sting manipulation. So we have know what is sting. Can you say what is sting?
Words, sir.
Words. That is one of the data type in Python. No, that only your answer. Before for initialization of the introduction about string, I have said the word. Now you know the what is string. It is one of the data type in Python, right? String, list, tuple, likewise many data types are there. Integer, boolean that we have discussed. Okay, so string is one of the data type in the Python. Okay, manipulation means we are going to changes over it. We are going to operate the strings with the different circumstances. Okay, that we are going to see what we can do with the string data type, that we are going to discuss in this entire chapter. Okay, whether we can, for example, if we give two numbers to you, what and all we can do with this number? You can add the number, you can subtract the number, then what are
Subtract, multiplication,
multiplication,
um,
division,
um,
modulo division, like
division.
you can do lot of operations with the numbers, no? Likewise, if I give a string means what and all, what are the operations we can do over there, or else we can make over the string or use over the string, that we are going to see in this chapter, that is string manipulation. Okay, let you start this one. I'll just show the things. Okay, so this was the thing, string traversing. Okay, traversing means I already said, but here I am showing traversing already said. What is traversing? I have taught you. I have already taught what is traversing program. String traversing using the for loop. While I'm teaching for loop, I have taught this one. String traversing, list traversing, dictionary and tuple traversing. I already said string again. I have to teach this. That time I will ask you to do it. Can anyone do it? String traversing. What is traversing? If you say the answer means that will be fine.
Printing the letters one by one, sir.
Very good. That in very clear manner. If you want to say access the each element of a object of a data type, that is called object. Okay, that is called traversing. Have you got it? Accessing each element one by one or in the successive manner, that is called as traversing. Okay, the string traversing means we are accessing one by one letter from the string. Okay, shall we do a program regarding that? Shall we do a program?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Just yes, you can see this 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, can you, for example, I'm just giving, we have to get the string from the user. Can you say the code how to get the string from the user?
A equal to input
A
of
equal to input of uh, hmm.
in
Can you say?
quotes enter a word, sir.
Enter a string. Okay, so likewise I asked this one. Okay, that's fine. We got the string that is stored in A, correct? So now we are going to traverse, accessing the string one by one. So shall we use for loop for that? How to use it?
Yes, sir.
Can you say that? For I in
I in A.
A. Here we are using membership operator. Okay, for I in A. We have to print, no? Print
Print of I, sir.
print of I. Very good, very good. So that will be the value. Then anything else? Print spelling mistake that you didn't notice, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then shall we save this program? That's all. This is called traversing program. I'm running this program. 1 minute. Enter a string. Suppose I'm just giving QWERTY keyboard. I'm just giving. So you can see accessing one by one element. QWERTY. Okay. So likewise, it's accessing each and every element in the given string. This concept is called as what? String traversing. Have you understand that what is string traversing?
Yes,
Again,
sir.
just a brush up in.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Let me go to the slide. 1 minute. So this is the program for. I mean, now you can see this. This is the program for reverse order. If you want to print the string in reverse, opposite order. So how to get it? You can see this program. String one is a variable. In this variable is used to receive a string from the user. Correct? Correct. Then print statement,
Yes, sir.
the reverse of string one. String one means the normal string is length equal to length function. I already taught to you. Can you remember? Length function is
Yes,
used
sir.
Yes, sir.
get the len of a object. Okay, len of string one means it will tell what? How many elements are there in the given object. Here, what is a given object? String one is a given object. What is string one? It receives a string from the user, correct? So how many
Yes,
elements
sir.
are in the string which we entered? Okay, so that number will be counted and that number will be stored in the variable length, length. Okay, then now for c in sorry ch is a variable. We in our case we used I, no, for I in range. Here we used for ch. Okay, for ch in range, in the range function, how we are using -1. So before I have to again I want to do the recap for indexing. We have seen, no, whenever we have seen the last chapter data type string, we have seen positive indexing and negative indexing of a string. What is the positive indexing? I mean, what is the first number of the positive index? Hello?
1.
0.
0, not 1. 0 is the starting number of positive. Negative indexing first number?
-1.
-1. Okay, now you got it. Why we are using the -1. Okay, 1 more minute. The session will end and we will continue in the next session. Okay, 1 minute. Have you understand this? Let I will show the program. You can see the program. Now you can get it. Why we are giving the list? I mean, range function. There are three syntax we have seen: lower limit, upper limit, step value. Correct? Let you check this one. Just read. So in this case, we will discuss about. So let you see continue the same program for ch. Ch is here the variable we are using. No, so ch in range of -1. That's what we are about to give in the last session. Okay, -1. Now you can understand, no, why we given -1, because here the program is for what purpose we are making this program. We are doing this program. Hmm. To give a we have to get the string and that string want to print in reverse order. Have you got it? For that purpose only what we are doing, correct? So that's what is the lowest index. Lowest index means first index in the negative side, in the reverse side, that is -1, no? So that's what we given
Yes,
what?
sir.
-1. Okay, comma, what is the maximum length? Upper limit. Upper limit is what? Total length of the string, correct? minus length minus 1. What is minus length? Suppose I am entering a string. That string is having 8 letters means 8 character word letters means. Okay, so 8 will be the length value. No, length we are using one variable to know the length of the variable. So sorry, the string. Correct. So minus 8 minus 1, because always the reverse index, what will happen? It want to access in reverse side, no. So minus 8 will be there. Maximum limit we need to give minus 8 minus 1. What will happen?
-9.
Very good, very good. So upper limit always want to be 1, no, maximum 1, no. So suppose minus length if I give means what will happen? The last letter in the string will not executed, because upper limit will not execute, no. Lower limit will be
Yes, sir.
executed. Less than 1 only it will execute. That's what we are adding 1. Suppose if I give plus 1 means what will happen? Length plus 1, that is also we can give. Minus length minus 1 we can give, or else what will happen? What we can give? Length plus 1. That means 8 means 8 plus 1, 9. Have we got it?
Yes, sir.
But what is the thing?
Yes,
Reverse
sir.
indexing, how it will print? What is the problem means how the reverse indexing will be? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Like this only it goes, no. So if you give
Yes, sir.
length plus 1 means 9 only there. Minus 9 and 9. There are huge difference. Correct, no? Nearly it is 70 numbers are between. Correct. So that will not be possible. That's what we are giving minus length minus 1. That is minus length means minus 8. Suppose the entered string is 8 characters means. Okay, suppose the example I'm saying minus 8 minus 1, then minus 9 will be there. Step value, how it want to come? In the reverse side means we have to travel in reverse, no. That's what we mentioned. Minus 1 step value 1 if you give means what is the next value will be given? Minus 1, then 0, then plus 1. Likewise only it will goes, no. Have you got it? If you give minus 1 as a step
Yes, sir.
value means what will happen? Minus 1 minus again plus minus 1 minus 1, what is the value? Minus 2. Okay, minus 2 minus 1, what is the value we will get? Minus 3. Correct. It
-3.
goes in the reverse. Can you understand what I'm telling remaining people? String indexing, can you understood? Hello, I have very strong doubt. 1 minute, let I will show the slide which I have used in the string manipulation. 1 minute. I have taught already these things to you for one. Yeah, we have across this. See, this one I'm saying. Have you understand? 0, it's a positive index. Reverse index means what? Minus 1, minus 2, like this is going. That's what I'm teaching. Can you understand what I'm teaching? At least.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
People only
Yes,
answer.
sir.
Okay. So that's what we are giving in this thing. That I will, yeah, at 1 minute. That I will show, open this slide. Okay, that's what we given in this program. Minus 1 minus len minus 1, then comma step value we given minus 1. Okay, here what we are asking to print of string 1 of ch. What is ch? First minus 1 will be assigned, no, for ch value is a variable
Yes,
in
sir.
the inside the loop. What is minus 1? Last letter will be the minus 1, no, in the negative indexing. So last letter will be get printed. String 1 of last letter minus. Have you understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's what it's printing. What you can see the output. The above output will print. What is out? Enter the string current. They given the word current. So how the print will be there? Last in letter is what? N. Then this is minus 1. A is minus 2. Reverse indexing I'm saying. Then R. Then A. Again then what? K. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Later we will do this program. For example, for I in range we have to use. Okay. Range of what is the thing? Minus 1 comma length we need to get, no. So shall we get the length? I'm just giving
Yes,
b
sir.
equal to which function is used to find the length of the given object?
Len of.
Len function. Len of a. A is a variable which only stores the strings, no.
Yes,
That's
sir.
what. Okay, then here what is the value? Minus b is
B
the length, no, then minus 1.
1.
Okay, then comma, what is the step value we need to give? Minus 1.
-1.
This is the range function. The range function we given lower limit, upper limit, step value. Here we have to print a of I. Have you got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
A of I we printed. Okay. But I will save this program 1 minute. Okay. Now you can see enter a string it's asking. Okay. I'm just entering computer. Okay. I just entered. Now you can try to understand. It's printing in reverse order. RETUPMOC. Have you got it? How it's printed in reverse?
Yes, sir.
What about remaining people? 11, okay. What about remaining? Hello?
Understand, sir.
Getting yes, sir, from is a very
Yes, sir.
difficult job for me to getting your response. Okay. If I do the same response for you, what you will do? Let I will see in the real time. Whenever the school will reopen, that time you will ask some questions. That time I will also keep quiet, keep mum, and then okay, yes, okay, yes. If I say means what you will do? Hmm? You have to think about this. In the time of 12th standard and project, you can take in a oh sir started to threatening. Let you take whatever manner, but I'm not bothering about it. But you have to respond. No, for whom I am teaching for you only. Lot of time I have spoke this dialogue, but even there is no changes in improvement in your case. Try to understand it. That's what I'm saying. Let you see this program once again. It's very simple program. We are getting a string in here in the variable a. Okay. Here we are using b is a variable to find the, to store the length of the given string. Suppose if we enter this enter string is computer means how many characters are there in computer word computer?
Eight, sir.
COMPUTER 8 characters. So b will store number 8. Correct? No. So that will be stored in the B. Okay. For I in range of -1, why we are giving -1 means that is the least limit. There is a lower limit of if you want to print in reverse side. That's what I'm very much clearly saying. If you want to print in reverse side means okay. So we have to give -1. Positive side means generally we as we given no traversing that will be fine. The I in A likewise we done no that is enough. Okay. So if you want to particularly print in reverse side, for that case only we have to use -1, comma, minus b -1. Why minus b means here b is a variable, it stores the len of the string. Okay, so we need to add one more character in order to accessing the last, upper limit of the character. That is first character of the string in reverse side. Okay, so that's what. Then -1 we given step value. Y means -1, -2, -3 to want to increase in the reverse order. That's what we given as step values -1. Okay. So at last we printed what? A of I. So what is A of I means? I value will be assigned -1, -2. So A of -1, A of -2 like this it will get printed. Have you all understand this program?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Okay, I hope you will done recap this again, review this video. And today homework is this one. Okay, what I said, for loop and while loop. Okay, using the loop today I will give the homework. Okay, today is our homework turn. I will give it, let you do and send to me in the mail or WhatsApp. Okay. Okay, thank you to all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.